This is what it looks like when I use bird's eye.
15 meters, bird eye.
Basically, I'm going to stitch these two together. This will be the beginning, and I'll show what the drone actually sees at the end. Excuse me. Which means I'll have to edit the drone's video into vertical mode. I didn't think of that. It's doing a spin. Did a slow spin now. It's going to come back down again and sit in front of me. Not much to say. I don't think the drone, the drone will have no sound at all. I'll put music to the drone's music. There we go. That's it. Cool.